Want to join the 6 Pics Before November Ends trend on Instagram? I'll show you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar, type _. Open the profile with that username. Go to the highlights section labeled Novembro and open it. Scroll through the stories until you find the 6 Pics Before November Ends sticker. Once you've found it, tap Add Yours to add it to your story. You can either take photos using the Instagram camera or upload them from your gallery. Tap on Layout and select the one with 6 slots. Choose and add 6 photos that represent your November. They could be anything, from everyday moments to special memories. That's all! Now you're part of the trending 6 Pics Before November Ends on Instagram. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks.